You got this, Garcia. During a recent period of time, the numbers in thousands of males, capital M, and females, capital F, that attend degree-granting institutions in the United States can be modeled by, and then I gave you this nasty polynomial that equals to capital M, and a nasty polynomial that equals capital F. Where t is time in years, that's what the variable t stands for time in this situation. Write a polynomial to model the total number of people attending degree-granting institutions. Interpret its constant term. All right. For a gum, a Twix, a Snickers, or Milky Way, what's the mission here? What's the mission of this word problem? Is it to do jumping jacks? Is it to Thank you. Here's the mission. Write a polynomial. You guys know what a polynomial is. We've been adding them, subtracting them, multiplying them this week. Write a polynomial to model the total number of people attending degree-granting institutions. Degree-granting institutions are just colleges and universities because they grant degrees. So write a number to model a total number of people. What would you like, a Snickers, a Milky Way, or a gum? Gotcha. There's your mission. Underline the mission, please. While I throw in this Udiega gum. Udiega's not getting greedy. Sorry about that, Udiega. That was a bad throw. All right. In this situation, for Milky Way, Snickers, Twix, or gum, in this situation, what are the people made up of?
Males and females.
Someone besides Udiega.
Males and females.
What'd you like?
Gum.
I'm trying to get a better notice. Nice catch. Must be a Raider fan. All right. So, the people here are made up of two kinds of people. Look, you got males. Here's males, capital M, and females. Okay. Here we go, ladies. What kind of males does this describe? Someone besides Uriega and Miss Torres, what kind of males are these here? Are they Raider fans? Are they Bronco fans? Say again? Thank you. What would you like? Candy? Gum. So the males here are students in degree-granting institutions. Someone who has an answer, what would the F? What kind of females are listed here? Say again? What would you like? Got you. Okay. I bet. All right. Boo! Here we go. Not all males go to college. Some do, some don't. This polynomial, look at it. This polynomial describes those who go to college. This polynomial describes those girls that go to college, the females. Someone who has an answer here, what does T stand for here? Someone hasn't answered. Say again? Would you like gum, Twix? What would you like? Gotcha. T stands for time in years. Nice catch. So notice, you replace T with 1 after the first year. You replace T with 2 after the second year. T with 3, and so on and so on. And this will tell you how many males and females at universities and colleges.
What do you mean T?
See, look at look at 19.7 times T to the second power.
So that's 2 years.
No, you replace T with 2 if you want to figure out how many males are at college. Okay, Via, computer down right now. So, Uriega stated the mission perfectly. Write a polynomial to model the total number of people. The males is the first polynomial, the second is the female polynomial. For someone who hasn't answered, how would I find the polynomial for all people? What would I do? Someone who hasn't answered yet. For gum, Twix, Snickers,
You want to say the
or Milky
question
Way.
again?
How am I going to accomplish the goal? How the heck am I going to...
In the response.
Right, someone who hasn't answered yet. Someone who hasn't answered. If someone who hasn't answered yet doesn't answer, I'll come to those who have answered, because I got two ladies here ready to rock and roll. How am I going to accomplish the goal? How am I going to accomplish the mission? Ladies, here we go. Let me talk. How are we going to do what's in red? How will we accomplish that? Padilla, hit it.
You put in the number with the zero on it, and then you add them both together.
Okay, so replace T with a year. But what year though? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. What, I mean,
Multiplying by time.
hold up, Padilla. I got you. Well, I'm coming to you next. What? After what year would I replace T with?
Or why don't you just add the polynomials?
Thank you. Twix, candy. What'd you like?
So,
Marletta, what were you gonna say?
Pretty much already got it.
I've got you next up. I know you want. Here we go. So, the polynomial we'll write is actually, we're going to add up both polynomials. In other words, write this down now. Here we go. Here we go. Cool. Total people. Watch this. Total people. Total people equals the males who go to college plus the females who go to college. Plain and simple. And then, right? This is pretty logical. Let's write a polynomial for the total people. Males. Here we go. 19.7 t squared plus 310.5 t plus 7539.6. There's my males. I'll put the females in Dodger blue. Look, I'm going to add them with the females now. Females are 28t squared. I got 368t. I got 101.27.8. There's the polynomial that describes the total people in a university or a college, or the way they mention, a degree-granting institution. Someone who hasn't answered it, what do I do now? Someone who hasn't answered. Thank you, Diego, but you have to answer. Someone who hasn't answered you, Diego. What should I do now? For Twix, gum, or candy of your choice. What do I do at this point? Someone who hasn't answered. He hasn't answered anything. I guess I'll come back to... Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch, tiger, bite, tail, get the better again, eeny, meeny, miny, moe. By the she wanted eeny, meeny, miny, moe. What'd you like? Which one? I got Snickers, Twix, or Milky Way. Or I got these little mints. Let's combine like terms. Notice t squared and t squared. Are you angry? No, that's...
what did he say?
Stop it. 19.7 plus 28. Here we go. 28 plus 19.7. Thank you. 47.7 what though, Miss Flores? Awesome. Bye-bye to those. You'll see one of these on the quiz Friday, trust. I'll throw a small little word bomb at you. No, this is angry today. Stop it. Here you go. 310.5t and 368t. Here we go. So 310.5 plus. One more time.
678.
Awesome. T, huh?
Yeah.
Got it. Let me just cross those out. 0.5. It's 0.5?
Yeah.
My bad. What's the matter with me? Jeez. Gosh. And we got numbers with numbers. Anybody can get that for me? Here we go. 7539.6 plus 10127.8.
17,667.
Point what? I got the okay, cool. 17,667.4. This, ladies and gentlemen, will tell you the population of colleges at time t. So after the first year, we replace t with 1. After the second year, we replace t with 2.
Isn't that 0.1 still?
I got 0.4. It's going to be okay, Rodriguez. Here we go. All right. For an extra 3 stamps now. Or a candy, your choice. Look at the final little mission here in 4 words here, a 4-word sentence. Let me underline in green. It says interpret its constant term. So on this polynomial, what would be the constant term? Hit it, Valeto.
What is that? 17,666.
So you're saying this is the constant term? Why?
Is it myself?
You're close. We defined constant 2 days ago. Udiega, help him out. Polish his answer up. It's a good answer, but why is that a constant? Darn it. Badia, why is that the constant? Now, how come this term's not the constant, that term's not the constant?
Because that's all level not a variance.
Right. A constant is just a number by itself, no variable. It's a term.
That's what I said.
Yeah, that is. He said because it's by itself.
Yeah.
Because it's the, which he meant.
By itself.
Oh, so that's what you meant. My bad. Because by itself, that's by itself.
No, there's still T.
Right, but it's still, but this,
It's not by itself.
but the term is by itself.
the
But I
variable-
got you though. I got you. Sorry. Mea culpa.
So what? I get those stamps or what?
No, because that's just where the constant got. I will give you a candy though.
You said if you get
No, that's look at. Interpret means what is it? What does the constant mean in this situation? I just want to know what the constant is before we can actually engage it. So I got you a candy. Yep. Okay, now got you. Here we go now. Now that we know what the constant is, thanks to Padilla and Roberto, here we go. In this situation, what does this number mean in the real life situation? What does that number mean? Students is all of it. What would the constant mean in this situation?
Tiny.
That's T.
Isn't it? Oh yeah. And usually the very coming in.
Okay, I like that. So these would be like the veterano students, and this is the new ones coming in?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all the students that we hear.
Well,
That
all,
year. No, all of it is. All of it is. All of it is? Yeah. Oh my god.
right? The whole thing is, could you just replace T with some year, and it's going to give you all the
Yeah, it
students.
could be that because those have a T, so it means they've been there for more time.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I was saying that.
All right. Flores, you get 3 stamps. You're going to get 1 stamp for helping her polish it up. But this, you're absolutely right.
What?
This number here, it's going to be okay, Odiega. She needs a hug. Watch this, Odiega. Notice, this is not being multiplied by any years of time. So this is the students that are there before the year even begins, the newcomers. These students would be the ones that are multiplied the first year, freshmen, second year, sophomores, and so on. This would be the ones that are at time 0. Bronco, no, that's good. I was making fun of the Broncos, but sorry. So good job. All right, now, watch this. Look at the movie you're going to create.
What?
You heard it.
I thought we weren't going to do anything.
You thought spectacularly wrong.
You just said there's only one word.
Watch this. Assignment 11, it says Adobe Spark. Medina, Valdez, Garcia, I think last year you were with me.
Yeah.
You did Garcia. You did Adobe Sparks or no? Flores, you remember Adobe Sparks last year? Let's see. Bonetto for sure. Can't remember Rodriguez. You had him with the.
I don't remember.
That's right. I enrolled you, but yeah, you.
I had your copy.
Gonzalez for sure remembers this. Watch this. Adobe Spark is this awesome online program. It's kind of like a PowerPoint on steroids, so to speak. It's a PowerPoint. You just slap on pictures. You slap on graphics. You add your voice, and it creates a motion picture.
Oh yeah.
Then you add music on it. You add a theme. Let me explain. Watch this.